Nobel laureate, whatever his name. He works right now at Google. He got not Nobel Turing Award winner. He got the Turing Award in 2002. I forgot his name right now. So HTTP works on TCP/IP protocol. It's good for half duplex communication. When I say half duplex communication, it's like hello, and then, yeah, hello. And then, when I used to talk to my father long back in 92 on a satellite phone, I used to say over, which means that I have finished because it's one channel. And then he used to finish it, talk completely and say over. Because there was only one channel which goes. In HTTP, it's the same thing, it's the one channel which works. You can actually request it from the browser, the server will give you the things. If you want to do something like this, cricket score, it gets updated again and again. But if you go and see to these sites what happens internally, after some point of time, for example 5 seconds, it actually refreshes it. It actually makes the XML HTTP request, gets that updated. And this happens even if there is a break in between, even if you are not seeing to that browser window. So every 5 seconds it's making a request, getting the response, sticking it to your DOM, document object model, which is nothing but what you have seen, right? Is it good? So whether there is a ball, there is an increase in run or no, I'm like just querying the browser. It's just like this, I'm a person, I know you are working on something, I know that you haven't completed, but I want to say, have you finished your work? After 2 minutes again back, have you finished your work? And I'll keep on asking you this. Sometimes you say, yes, I finished this. We regularly call these people like managers. Okay. So HTTP was like that. It's a one-way communication. But in most of the cases, if you see this chat application, when you send the message, then only that should get how the other person should get. However, we used to do this. Usually, if you see the old chat which works within the browser, it used to use something like Flash, or otherwise you need to install that plugin, the whole stuff like Yahoo Mail for Yahoo Messenger for Windows. You need to install, or you need to configure something like any of the other messenger. In case of Linux, you have many messengers which you can configure for Yahoo or for Gtalk or something like that. Now this was really a pain. So they said, okay, I should come with something which actually listens and then give me a response when it's needed. For example, I should be able to talk to you only, or the cricket guy, the server should give you a update only when there is update available. So whenever there is a runs put or ball put, then only your site should get updated, rather than you making a XML HTTP request every 5 seconds. Does it make sense? Why? This makes sense more because the server will get overloaded. There is a cricket info, I think is very popular. I don't know, there are 1,000 people glued to it. Every 5 seconds there is a request coming. It has to serve. So every second there are so many requests which server has to serve, which means that I am wasting my bandwidth, I am wasting my processing power, I am blocking the complete resources, and because of all these things, the number of people I serve gets reduced. I can't scale more than 1,000. The way they used to do it, one is they used to actually refresh it. The other thing they used to call it comet, which means that when you do a get request, usually you do a get or post or del or this one request. When you send a request, what happens is like it goes to the server, and then server sends a response, but it says still I am sending a response. It's as good as handshaking. If I want to hold a person's hand and I don't want to leave him to go somewhere else, as a handshaking, and I'll keep on talking to this person, making sure that he is still there with me, because once he leaves, he is going to go away from this class. So I keep on talking till I finish my complete conversation. So the comment was nothing but like when a request used to come to this server, okay, server used to respond something, but keep the hand shaking. Okay, saying I want to talk to you. Don't go away from here. Okay, so comment was that. So this was not scalable because I have 2 hands, I can hold 2 people. So server has 50